Hey traders and investors, it's Serge Berger here. Before I get started today, we're going to talk about the biotechnology sector. Again, a quick reminder of the New York City Trader Meetup, Saturday, June 21st. If you're going to be in New York City on that day, we'd love to have you come by. And we're going to, basically discuss strategy and how to trade the current market environment. Be a great networking opportunity as well. So if you're there and interested, please shoot me an email. It's Serge, S-E-R-G-E, at thesteadytrader.com. Now, the topic today is the Biotechnology Index. We've covered this fairly extensively over the past really couple of months since the index broke down. And through a longer term lens, if we look at the IBB, it's just an important part of the market to focus on. So if you kind of draw a line without getting too fancy, you can see we're basically just kissing the underbelly of this broken uptrend for the time being. At the same time, the IBB has also actually somehow managed to hold its 200-day moving average, which is in red. A lot of people freaked out when the index dipped below there, but for those of us that follow candlesticks and through that candlesticks actually try to understand the investment or investor psychology, that was a very bullish day here, or not a non-bearish day. Let's put it this way: it was not a bearish day when this took place. Of course, it took time because this is such a big, volatile, hot money place. It took time for this thing to find some sort of a bottom, and it's bounced so far. So that's so far so good. Of course, now there are plenty more, resistance areas for the index to overcome, and it's not really my forte to forecast any sort of major rally and recovery here. But I do think a pricing action here has been constructive with several rejections of the lows, bullish candles here and there, and then follow through buying so far today. Again, obviously today is not yet over. Today is May 22nd. But getting back above 50 days. So there's certainly an opportunity here for if this were to stick, for this index to move back up into the low 240s, which wouldn't be so bad for those of us that are more in the active investing and trading community. One of the stocks that I like particularly well in this space is Forest Labs, FRX. Is the ticker. Now, whether you consider it's a complete bias stock or just a healthcare stock, that's I'll sort of leave that up to you. But basically, the stock, you can see, actually held up relatively well, or very well, relatively speaking, compared to some of the other biotechnology stocks, including the IBB Nasdaq Biotechnology Index. And you can see I've already drawn in the bullish candles are all over here. Rejection of the lows, rejection of the lows, all over. And then finally today, so far, again, the day isn't over, but if we sort of stick a landing above $95, I think FRX here certainly is in a position to at least move more constructively toward the high 90s over the coming weeks or so. Of course, this being a very dynamic sector, we do have to have all the risk management things in place as we always do, because any sort of quick bearish reversal would certainly have the potential to quickly bring this entire chart back down. Some people argue that from a technical point of view, there's an ascending triangle here. You can draw 100 different lines on this and make this bearish. Equally so, you can just focus on the facts, which were the lows were rejected, and so far we're getting a breakout. And that, until this reverses, simply isn't bearish. In fact, it may be worth a try on the long side, at least for yours truly. Hope this makes sense. As always, if you've got any questions, you can hit me up on Twitter. My Twitter handle is SteadyTrader. Take care.